In this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone, whether they're brand new or you've used them before. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your AirPods are charged. Go to your iPhone's home screen, then open the AirPods case and hold it next to your phone. A setup animation should appear. If it doesn't pop up automatically, keep watching to find out what to do. Tap Connect, then follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your AirPods model, you may see additional setup steps, like Siri setup or audio features. Just continue through the prompts. Once setup is complete, tap Done. Now, if you're signed into iCloud, your AirPods will automatically connect to all your other supported Apple devices that are using the same Apple account. If the setup animation didn't appear, you can connect manually. With your AirPods in the case, open the lid and put them into pairing mode. On newer models, double tap the front of the case until the light flashes white, and on all the other models, press and hold the setup button on the back until the light flashes white. Then go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select your AirPods from the device list. So to connect to AirPods you've already used before, open up Settings on your iPhone, tap Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth on if needed, and select your AirPods from the list to confirm the connection. Now to check battery levels, unlock your iPhone and open the AirPods case near it to see the charging animation. You can also go to Settings, Bluetooth, and tap the info icon beside your AirPods to view battery levels. If you're still having trouble connecting, check out our troubleshooting video next.